What is up? I am a blogger and I get a lot of PR packages, so I thought we'd have a good time opening one together. Questions you guys always ask me: how long have I been doing this? 20 years. How do I get PR? Well, they just send it to me. Is this a thing that you can do? Probably, but I've been blogging for a really long time. And what do I know what they're sending me? The answer is no. So I just get PR packages. This one is from McCormick. Oh, fancy. Okay, McCormick, came to play. This is like the bane of all of my existence. All PR packages have this stuff. Like all of it. They've sent me, get a pizza pizza topping seasoning. These are really cute because they're punny. Look, positively obsessed. I'm a total spud potato topping seasoning. Let's talk about it. I'm so hooked. What is that? Oh, salmon topping seasoning. Oh, hopeless romantic. Ooh, this is ramen topping. Shall we do a smelling? Who wants to do smelling? I want to smell. Let's taco about it first. Ooh, this smells really good. Oh, it has a flavor profile check. Chipotle, chili pepper, and ooh, what is smoky flavor? Like, what does that mean? What does that even mean, internet? What did I say? Oh, I'm gonna try the pizza topping. Oh, this looks pretty. Wait, what happens if you put this in a grinder? I feel like it was, well, it smells so good now. All right, I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.